In this video, I want to go over the path, reverse path, and show you how that works. It's under the path menu, reverse path. Sometimes if you're having a cutting issue, or if your object isn't cutting completely, you can come to your cut window and increase your overcut, but you can also try reversing the path. So here I've just drawn a circle, I've turned the fill off and have a stroke color. Now you can do it with a fill color. I just chose to turn it off. Oops, did not mean to do that. Let me get rid of that. Okay, get my selection tool here. And then I'm going to select my object, right click, path, reverse path. And I can also go to path, reverse path. All right, now let me come here and draw out another circle. And let me show you what happens when you reverse the path. If you right click and go to path, path details, this box is going to come up. Okay, and let me try to make this window larger. Boy, this resizing is touchy. Okay, hopefully you can see that better. There we go. All right, so if I click on this first one, it's going to show me where my cut on this particular object is going to start. Okay, if I click on the next one, it's going to show me how it's going to travel. So it's going to go clockwise, and then the next cut, the next cut, and the next cut. Okay, because it travels from point to point to point. All right. So now if I close this and I go to path, reverse path, and then path details, then you can see that it starts at the same spot, but it cuts in reverse. Okay, and sometimes that will correct the issue. If it doesn't, like I said, you can create or you can increase your overcut in your cut window. Okay, so if you are having some issues with your image cutting, try these two solutions and hopefully that will help. Thanks for watching.